Let me tell you, edges are one of the most difficult things to go back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Kenny. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. I'll really appreciate that. And if you enjoyed today's video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. Okay guys, today's video is I'm going to be sharing with you how I've been growing back my edges. If you're natural, if you relax, any form of hair type you have, you might or you may be dealing with bald edges or thin edges. Some people are even dealing with it right now, just like me, which I'm just crawling out of that kind of bald edges stage. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be sharing with you what I've been using to grow back my edges. Let me tell you, edges are one of the most difficult things to grow back. Edges, bald spots, hair patches, like having just this random patches of baldness, they are the most difficult thing to grow back. But with the right products and with consistency, I promise you it does grow back. This is not my first time in the rodeo, but this is my first time in which my edges grow back as fast as I love. I know it can be sluggish in growing back, and I've dealt with bald edges countless times, a few times in the past, but this is the first time in which my edges actually grew back as quick as I want. So I'm going to be sharing with you the products I've been using, and I'm going to show you how I've been using those products, and I'm going to be sharing my thoughts and all that in this video. If you enjoyed this video, like I said, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below, and leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. Okay guys, so the products which I've been using to grow back my edges, it is the Regrowz 100% natural hair regrowth and thickening treatment. It has two products in it. It has the scalp stimulant and the restoration serum. These two products, they work hand in hand. Any form of hair loss or hair baldness or patches you may be dealing with, this system, this pack of hair, these two products, they are designed to facilitate that hair growth. Which what I love most about this product is that they are natural. Both of them are homeopathic. Reading the ingredients of this product, you will see that they are sourced from natural ingredients and natural products. So I'm going to jump into the demo now, and I will show you how I've been using this and how it's been working for me and all that. Okay guys, so this is my hair, this is my edges, and this is what it was looking like a couple of weeks ago. And this is the hair regrowth and thickening treatment. You're supposed to use this for 3 months. So it has step 1, step 2, and step 3, which I'm going to take you through. For the first step, I'm going to take the homeopathic scalp stimulant, which is the first product in the set, and I'm going to attach this comb to it, which makes it easy for the treatment to be applied specifically to where you want to apply it. And also you can use the comb to comb the treatment on the scalp. So I'm applying it directly on my edges where I want the treatment to go. So I applied the treatment all over my edges and make sure it is well saturated. Then I took my hair out of the way because it was getting in the way, and I used my finger just to make sure it got in there. Then I used the scalp to cover my hair because anytime I'm doing any special treatment, I just like to leave my hair covered. Then I use the scalp to cover my head, and I'm going to leave the treatment in for about 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes, I'm going to start applying the homeopathic restoration serum. So this is what it looks like. It looks like a melted butter. So I'm going to start applying the homeopathic restoration serum, and I'm going to use my fingers to massage it in, because that is the instruction on the box, that you should massage the restoration serum in for a couple of minutes. And that is what I'm doing here. And once I was done, I covered my hair again. Okay guys, so right now I can feel a little bit of tingling, not too tingling, but I can feel the effect of the serum on my scalp right now. It smells very greenish, like natural, and all that's how it smells, and I can feel its effects on my edges right now. Just a wee bit of underlying tingling, and you know, when you put something in your scalp and you know that this thing is working, that is how my my edges are feeling right now. So I'm gonna leave it for 1 hour, and I'll go to shampoo with the Thickening Shampoo, which is what is advisable to use with the treatment. So I left my hair covered for about 1 hour, and I let the serum do its thing for about 1 hour, and then I used the thickening shampoo to wash my edges. The thickening shampoo also has this tingly feeling, and also has all the amazing ingredients you look for when you're trying to regrow hair: biotin and almond oil, and all the amazing ingredients you would look for when you're trying to regrow your hair, or when you're trying to facilitate hair growth. What I love about this treatment is that my hair does not need to be loose for me to use it. Even when my hair is in a protective style, I can still use it. Okay guys, so that is the demo on how I've been using this product, the homeopathic scalp stimulant and the homeopathic restoration serum. Okay, so I'm going to show you a before and after of my edges. Look at my edges, see how well they've grown. Look at that, see, can you see the difference compared to that chunky of hair that just looked like someone used razor blade to scalp my edges off? Do you see the difference? Another tip which I'm going to give is that working hard on regrowing your edges or any bald spot or any hair patches, working hard to regrow it is important, but what is more important is making sure that you are not putting additional stress on that hair or on that hair part that you're trying to grow back. Let me know in the comment section below if you find this video helpful, if you've ever used this product before, if it works for you. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Your thumbs up goes a really long way in upping my videos. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a nice comment in the comment section below. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you guys, and I'll catch you in my next video.